Let's start. The project name is Edittext from Edittext. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have a main activity. And, in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. We have an edit text with enter name as a hint. Then, we have a button. Let's see the code. Here, we have constraint layout as the root layout. This is the edit text. And, this is the button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity which extends app_compat activity. This is the onCreate function. On the button click event, first we retrieve the text from the edit text and store it in a string variable, name. Then, we show a toast, and display that string. Let's run the app. As you can see, I have written it.wala in the edit text, and when I click the button, the same text can be seen in the toast. So, that's it. That's how you can get a text from an edit text in Java Android. Thanks for watching.